Choosing the best Instant Pot can be overwhelming. After all, it's an expansive line, with a range of functions and capacities to choose between. That includes the Duo, Pro, and Crisp lines, all of which have various differences that will make them more suited to some users than others. So, which is the best Instant Pot for you? Based on our tests, these are the best Instant Pot you can buy in 2023. Number 1, Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Duo line of Instant Pot pressure cookers includes one special button that many home users are enamored with, the yogurt button. While it's fairly simple to make yogurt without a special appliance, the Instant Pot makes the process even easier, since it automatically keeps the yogurt culture at the proper temperature for incubation without any user intervention. After testing this feature on several occasions, our tester was convinced. I never had to click on the sauté button to get it to reach the optimal temperature, she says. This cooker has programs for soup and broth, meat and stew, beans and chili, poultry, sauté, steam, rice, porridge, multigrain, slow cook, keep warm, and yogurt. If you don't want to use a program, you can choose 2 levels of pressure, 3 sauté temperatures, or 3 slow cook temperatures. Cooking can be delayed for up to 24 hours, while manual cooking can be set for up to 2 hours. It was a little al dente and dry. I think it could have used an extra half cup of water, she notes. That said, she found the rice preset easy to use. The stainless steel body is resistant to smudges, and its attachments are safe for the dishwasher, making it a breeze to clean. Pros: remembers previous settings. 3 temperature levels. Precise temperature control. 13 different functions. Cons: comes with minimal accessories. Number 2, Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1 pressure cooker. One of the newest Instant Pot models, the Pro, has features that experienced cooks will love. Of course, it has the expected cooking presets, but it also has 5 programmable presets where cooks can input their own favorite settings for recipes they make often. This has familiar buttons for pressure cook, rice/grain, steam, sauté, slow cook, sous vide, yogurt, and bake. It also has a whopping 28 customizable programs for things like chicken and pasta. The hardware is a little different from previous models, with a black exterior and black and white display. A diffuser over the steam release reduces the noise and splatter. The cooking pot has side handles that make it easy to remove, carry, and drain, and the pot is stovetop safe. An optional quick cool tray is available separately that speeds the cooling and reduces pressure faster, so the pot can be opened quicker. This is available in a 6-quart size. But for sous vide cooking, the larger 8-quart model offers more space for water circulation around the food. This is also available in an 8-quart version, which large households might find more useful. Pros: 8-quart size for larger batches. 5 customizable presets. Precise temperature control. Incredible versatility. Cons: expensive. Number 3, Instant Pot Duo Nova 7-in-1 One-Touch Multi-Cooker. Instant Pot claims the Duo Nova is best for beginners, which makes the 3-quart size even more appealing for singles and couples who don't want to fuss too much with their cooking. It has presets for soup/broth, meat/stew, bean/chili, slow cook, sauté, rice, porridge, steam, yogurt, and pressure cooker. It also has simple manual settings for cooks who need to follow a specific recipe. The small size is great for side dishes that can be in progress at the same time a larger pot is working on the main dish or for making yogurt or a dessert. The smart lid automatically seals when it's put on, so you won't accidentally leave the vent open. When it's time to vent steam, the quick release makes it fast and easy. The same stainless steel inner pot and trivet, both are dishwasher safe, that are somewhat standard with Instant Pots. No measuring cup though. In summary, in the Instant Pot Duo versus Instant Pot Duo Nova battle, you could say the latter is a bit more prepared for beginners. As a plus, Duo Nova has both the 3-quart and the 10-quart size. The latter is not similar to the Duo Classic model or any other Instant Pots for that matter. Pros: small footprint. Reasonably priced. Same features as full size. Easy to clean elements and accessories. Cons: no presets for eggs. Number 4, Instant Pot Duo Crisp Plus Air Fryer 11-in-1 Cooker. Electric pressure cookers already have plenty of programs and functions, but this one adds something completely different, an air fryer function, thanks to a separate lid that houses the heater and fan, along with a special basket to hold the food and allow airflow all around. The pressure cooker pot turns into an air fryer for making perfect wings, French fries, and grilled cheese sandwiches. The 8-quart size means it's possible to fit a whole chicken into the pot so it can be pressure cooked quickly, then air fried for the crisp skin that everyone loves. Along with the usual pressure cooking, this can sauté, steam, slow cook, and even do sous vide cooking. With the air fryer lid attached, it can roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate. those in households of 2 find it makes just the right amount of food for a meal and some leftovers. If the Instant Pot doesn't give you enough space to dehydrate the bounty from your garden, perhaps you need a full-size dehydrator. What we like: 2 appliances in one, great controls for every recipe, dual-level air fryer basket. What we don't like: no preset programs, lack of recipes. Number 5, Instant Pot Ultra 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. While the 6-quart Instant Pots are certainly popular, sometimes a large pot is the right choice for hungry families or for people who want to do large batches of food to freeze for future meals. This has presets for pressure cook, soup/broth, meat/stew, bean/chili, steam, slow cook, sauté, warm, rice, porridge, multigrain, egg, cake, sterilize, yogurt, and the Ultra setting that allows complete customization of the cooking. The large start and cancel buttons are easy to use. There's no need to triple-check the vent when replacing the lid since it automatically resets to pressure when the lid is replaced. The vent button is also more user-friendly than older styles, and the sterilize setting isn't just for bottles. The brand claims it can also be used for pasteurizing dairy products. The large LCD gives an excellent visual representation of the chosen setting and the cooking progress, so it's always easy to check what's going on. Plus, the pressure cooker offers 11 safety features, including a new steam release reset button. 6 quarts is perfect for a family of 4, but you can also choose the 3-quart or 8-quart option. Pros: 8-quart size for bigger batches. See cooking stats and progress at a glance. Altitude adjustment. Cons: expensive.